Hoglets, it's Miwako. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a shorter video, well, I hope I do a shorter video of a piece that I ordered from a morigirl shop. I got an order from Cottagecore clothing. So they sell a lot of morikei, estrega clothing pieces. So I ordered bloomers that were pre-ordered. I had never ordered from this shop before, but I've been wanting to buy from them for a very long time. I just decided to get some bloomers that they released, and I thought that they look cute. They can look very nice with tunics and blouses and stuff like that. So let's take a look. I ordered in size large. I don't know if I am large or X large. So let's take a look. This is the owner, Heidi. She's very cute. And the information of the shop. It's looking so cute. And these are the bloomers. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It feels very high quality. Like this is like very nice cotton. Like it feels a little bit rough. They're a little bit thin, but it feels good. I'm using a ring light and I don't think that you can easily see my hands. So this is very nice because I order a lot from Taobao and a lot of pieces tend to be way more thinner than this. This much of elastic, I think it's gonna fit me just right. And it also has lace trims over here. Very nice thick pockets. I really like the pattern. It is a very cute like purple flower. The lace trims at the bottoms are very cute and nicely detailed. This is how the sewing looks inside. It looks like it was very professionally like sewn. So I'm excited to see how this fits. Hopefully these are the correct size for me. So I'll let you guys know in a moment. So here are the pants. Fits me perfectly. Like it's a little bit tight. X large would have been like really loose. So it fits me perfectly. As you can see, I still have room on the sides. I am 32 to 33 waist and like 41 or 42 on my hips, and I still have room to move. I am also 5'1", and as you can see, I still have room over here to show off my socks. So it even looks cute with this blouse. So I'm very excited. It's very cozy and it feels like very nice quality. I'm really happy to have gotten this. So I'm going to style it in different ways and see how it looks. So we'll be right back. So this is how it looks with just a blouse. It looks a little bit like pajamas like this, but I don't think it looks bad. Yeah. This is how it looks. Now let's try with a tunic. It might be like going like too much going on, but again you can wear this with tunics as well. I don't think it looks terrible. Maybe this is just too much, but it works. So as you can see, you can style it in different ways and I think it will match. I mean, vintage floral prints are perfect in Mori. Like it's, I think, one of the best motifs that you can wear on Mori, and it just looks so delicate and girly and feminine. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. And after wearing them a while, I did got some marks on my waist, so I think they're a little bit tight on me, but I am not sure if the X large is too huge. So I don't know if I should order the X large and see if they fit me better. So guys, what do you think about these bloomers or pants? Did you like it? Have you ever bought from this shop before? Do you want me to buy something from this shop in the future or soon? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you again guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.